In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Instagram messages using Instagram's official data download. There isn't a recently deleted folder for DMs like there is for posts or stories, so the only legitimate method is to request a copy of your data directly from Instagram. This pulls a snapshot of what Instagram still retains on its servers, which may include messages you recently deleted, depending on their retention policies and timing. Start by opening the Instagram app. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy. From there, open Account Center, select your information and permissions, and tap Download Your Information. This is the official section where you can request your data securely from Instagram. When asked what you want to download, choose some of your information. Use the search bar or scroll to find messages and select it. Tap Next, then choose Create Files. You'll see a choice between HTML and JSON. HTML is easiest for most people because you can view it in any web browser and it's laid out in a readable format. JSON is better if you're comfortable with structured data and want to analyze it or use it with scripts. Either way works. The content is the same, just presented differently. If prompted, enter your Instagram password to confirm the request. Instagram will prepare your file and send a download link to your email. This can arrive within minutes, but in some cases it may take up to 48 hours, especially if your account has a lot of data. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder and only click links that clearly come from Instagram. For security, don't forward or share the download link. When the email arrives, download the zip file to your phone or computer. If you can, a computer makes it easier to extract and browse the files, but a file manager app on your phone works too. Unzip the file, open the folder, and look for the Messages section. If you chose HTML, open the Messages file in a web browser to view your conversations in an organized way. If you chose JSON, open it with a text viewer or a code editor to read the message content. A quick reality check. Recovery isn't guaranteed. Whether deleted messages appear depends on how quickly you request the data and what Instagram still retains. The sooner you request, the better your chances. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.